You have probably heard the headlines that artificial intelligence will steal your job, and you might have shrugged it off saying that it's a futuristic and fear mongering, right? But what if I told you it's already happening? Will artificial intelligence take your job? Are you replaceable? Not in 10 years, not even in 5 years. It's happening right now. And people who are losing their jobs or who have already lost, they did not see it coming. Welcome to this eye-opening video where we go behind the buzz and headlines to understand what's really going on with AI and jobs. We will explore why tech giants are laying off top engineers. Number 2, which specific roles are now vulnerable? Point number 3, what artificial intelligence cannot do yet? And at the end, we will see what can you do to stay relevant in this artificial intelligence age. I will tell you the 5 powerful skills you must master to stay irreplaceable in an AI-driven future. Everyone says that AI will create more jobs than it destroys. Sounds comforting, right? But here is the problem. It's not happening fast enough. For every AI specialist job created, 5 entry-level jobs are being automated. And it's not blue-collar jobs that are disappearing first. It's the safe white-collar jobs. This is not a science fiction. It's happening right now. Let's decode the truth. Not with fear, but with clarity and a plan. Tech companies are no longer just experimenting with AI. They are restructuring their workforce because of it. Let us begin with Microsoft. In 2025 alone, they laid off 6,000 employees globally. 40% of them were software engineers. Do you know why? Because now AI writes nearly 30% of Microsoft's internal code. Employees who successfully integrated AI into their systems were ironically shown the door because they made themselves redundant. At Google, AI now writes over 25% of production code. Departments across business, platforms, and devices were downsized. AI investments are now replacing manual efforts. So, let me ask you this. If the very people who are building AI are getting replaced, then what about the rest of us? A new, painful irony is unfolding. The teams who are enabling AI adoption are being let go after success. But here is the twist. This is not the end of jobs. Yes, it's end of some jobs and the rise of entirely new ones. In a world which is run by AI copilots, you don't need 10 developers to write a code. You need one strategist and few powerful prompts. Satya Nadella said it best. The role of engineers is changing. It's no longer about typing code. It's about thinking strategically. Think about it. AI doesn't need to feel emotion. It just needs to complete the task faster than you. Let us dig deeper into the most uncomfortable question. Which jobs are actually at risk from artificial intelligence and why? Number 1. Entry-level coders and software developers. Tools like Copilot and Gemini write entire functions. Startups now hire one senior developer and use artificial intelligence instead of 3 juniors. If your job is pattern-based coding, then you are vulnerable. Because AI doesn't sleep, makes no typos, and is cost effective. Number two, data analysts and report writers. AI tools can clean the data, find insights, and create reports. Analysts who only summarize or visualize are replaceable. But those who ask the right business questions still valuable. AI can find correlations, but human analysts connect them to the real business value. Number 3, legal researchers and paralegals. AI can scan legal databases faster than humans. Precedent search, basic drafting, all are automatable. Law firms want speed and cost efficiency. AI delivers both. Number 4, finance analysts and junior consultants. AI can build model, create decks, and predict scenarios. Analysts and consultants who only input, not interpret, are at risk. Your job relies on templates and past data. AI can outperform you. Here is the pattern. If your job is predictable, repetitive, or rule based, then it's vulnerable. It is the routine thinkers, not creative solvers, who get replaced by AI. Now, before you panic, I'll tell you what AI cannot do still. Number 1, empathy and emotional nuance. Number 2, general reasoning and judgment. Number 3, leadership, motivation, and creative breakthroughs. Number 4, real world context and experiential wisdom. So, here is a future proof shield, and it's made of skills AI cannot replicate. Number 1, creative problem solving. Move beyond formulas. Build novel solutions. Number 2, strategic thinking. Ask why, not just how. Number 3, human centered communication. Influence, sell, mentor. Number 4, adaptability and learning agility. Artificial intelligence will keep on evolving, so you must also evolve. Number 4, AI operation and supervision. Learn to work with AI, not against it. Here are some top rated courses that can set you on the right path. If you want to learn prompt engineering and AI tools, then enroll for Prompt Engineering for Everyone in Coursera. You can also enroll for ChatGPT for Professionals in Udemy. If you want to learn AI programming and operations, enroll AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng at Coursera, and also LangChain Bootcamp, which is available at learnlangchain.com. You can also get enrolled for generative AI with LLMs. If you want to enhance your data skills, then enroll for Excel to SQL for Analysts by Udacity and Data Analysis with Python at edX. And for enhancing your soft skill and meta skills, enroll for Creative Thinking, which is available in LinkedIn Learning, and also enroll for Leadership in the Age of AI by Harvard. Don't just complete the course. Showcase what you have learned on LinkedIn or GitHub, or build a portfolio. That's your new resume. Let us focus on what you can start doing today to secure your career. Number 1, collaborating with AI, not competing with it. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, Midjourney, and Veo. You can become a prompt engineer. The ability to get AI to do what you want efficiently is becoming a career in itself. Number 2, upgrade to strategic thinking. Focus on solving problems, not just writing code or documents. Understand why something needs to be done, not just how. Number 3, build meta skills. Build creativity. Can you generate unique ideas that AI cannot replicate? Improve your communication skills. Can you persuade, explain, and lead? Improve on your adaptability. Can you learn fast when old tools become obsolete? Number 4. Learn AI operations and management. Tools like LangChain, OpenAI API, Pinecone, and Hugging Face are key for managing AI workflows. Roles like AI product manager, AI trainer, data curator are emerging fast. Number 5. Get good at data. AI runs on data. If you can clean it, interpret it, and visualize it, you are in demand. Here is what most people miss. AI is not just eliminating jobs, it is also creating them. New job roles that are on the rise are prompt engineer, AI content validators, human AI collaboration and designers, emotional coaches, AI ethics managers. Let us recap the truth. AI will not take your job, but someone who is using AI will take your job. And yes, AI is replacing jobs, but mostly repetitive, entry level, and formula driven roles. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google are shifting fast, and so you should also shift. The future belongs to those who can think critically, create originally, and collaborate wisely with machines. Experts have already warned us most jobs will transform. The threat is real, but so is the opportunity. Future proofing is in your hands. Reskill, adapt, and evolve. Are you feeling overwhelmed? That's normal. But feeling powerless? That's just an optional. If you have watched the video till here, then congratulations. You have already taken the first step. Now, it's your turn to act. Like this video if it has helped you. Comment with your current job role. I will reply with personalized AI proofing tips. Share this video with a friend who needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more insight like this every week. Together, let's not fear AI. Let us lead with it.